With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Which will have the greater volume when the following gases are compared at STP. STP is standard temperature and pressure. So this is 1.2 liter N2 at 25 degrees Celsius and 748 mmHg. This is the pressure, this is the temperature, and this is the volume. So we have to find out the volume which will have the greater volume. So we have to find out the greater volume of the following gases. So let's start. What is given here? Firstly, we have to write what is given here in the question. Given here is V is equal to 1.2 liter. As you see, this is 1.2 liters, and pressure is given here 748 mmHg. Okay, and temperature is given 25 degrees Celsius. As you will see, this is the temperature given here. We have to convert it into Kelvin. For converting in Kelvin, this is 25 plus 273. It will give 298 Kelvin. So T will be equal to 298 Kelvin. And we have P1, which we'll consider as constant at STP, which is 760 mmHg. And what will be T1? We will all again keep constant as 273 K, which is the 0 degree Celsius, and we have to find the greater volume of following gases. So these are the things which are given in the questions, and by we can find it by using the gas laws. So I'll write here, by using gas laws. What is the gas law here? Gas law is PV upon T is equal to P1 V1 upon T1. We have to find V1 here. So we'll start putting the values. What is P here? You can see P is 748 and V is 1.2 upon, what is T? T is 298. P1 is 760. V1 we have to find here. And what is T1? T1 is 273. Okay, so I'll move these values into this side. So I'll write here 748 into 1.2 into 273 upon 298 into 760. After solving this, you will find 101.081 liters. This is the actual value of V1. So this will be the answer. You can solve it by your own. So this is the right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.